The Los Angeles District Attorney's Office has issued a formal response following the news that the Menendez brothers may receive a resentencing hearing. The case, which captivated the nation in the 1990s, involved Lyle and Erik Menendez, who were convicted of murdering their parents, Jose and Mary Kitty Menendez, in their Beverly Hills home. The brothers were sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole after 2 highly publicized trials. Now, decades later, the possibility of a resentencing has stirred both public interest and legal debate. The district attorney's reaction was measured, acknowledging the gravity of the original crime while also recognizing evolving standards in the criminal justice system, especially in cases involving youthful offenders. Both Lyle and Erik were in their early 20s when the crime occurred, and recent legal reforms have increased scrutiny on how age, trauma, and long-term imprisonment are handled in the sentencing process. In the official statement, the DA's office emphasized the importance of balancing justice for the victims with fairness in sentencing. They noted that any potential changes to the Menendez brothers' sentences would be thoroughly reviewed through proper legal channels. The statement did not indicate support or opposition to the resentencing but reaffirmed a commitment to a fair, fact-based legal process. The renewed attention comes as courts across the country re-examine old cases under new sentencing guidelines, especially for individuals convicted while they were young adults. Advocates for the Menendez brothers argue that their upbringing involved years of alleged emotional, physical, and sexual abuse, which they claim was never fully considered during the original trial. They believe those factors warrant a second look at their punishment. Public opinion remains divided. Some feel the original life sentences were justified, given the brutal nature of the crime and the planning involved. Others believe that the courts should reconsider, especially in light of recent psychological research and shifts in the law surrounding youth and trauma. The DA's statement also acknowledged the role of victims' families and the emotional toll these developments can take. While the legal process moves forward, the office said it would ensure transparency and continued dialogue with all parties involved. Whether or not a resentencing is granted, the Menendez case continues to be a flashpoint in discussions about justice, accountability, and reform. The DA's response underscores the delicate balance prosecutors must strike in high-profile cases that carry deep emotional and historical weight.